Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1972 Ford F100. Now if you got any questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this pickup, and then we'll get it up on a lift so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Now as you look across the front, you'll notice that we got the bumper guards here, and that the bumper is in excellent condition along with the front stainless. It'll also give you the first opportunity to look down the sides, and you can see this body is straight as an arrow, and that all of your stainless lines up as close to perfect as you're going to see. Now as we make our way around the driver's side, you can notice that these body lines are beautiful here from the front all the way to the rear. You also notice that we got the two-tone color scheme. It's got the standard and the deluxe option, as you can see here on the top and down low. Now before we go around the outside, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look here at the interior. Looking across the dash, you can see that the dash pad is in excellent condition and that you've got the wood grain accent here around the gauges along with the steering wheel. Now this truck does have the factory style radio here in the dash. As we come on around, you can see the door panels are phenomenal along with all of the glass here in the cab, and it'll also give you an opportunity to look at the headliner, which is beautiful, and you'll notice that the dome light's working as well. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside, give you the opportunity to see how great that door shuts and fits. Now as we come across the back, you can see this rear stainless is all beautiful just like the front. You'll also notice that the rear bumper is in like new condition as well. Now as you come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back so that way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this truck is. Now it has been redone with this Scandia green and the white green two-tone color scheme being buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine. And for the factory style look, it's got the correct 15-inch wheels with the correct 72 model hubcaps. Now if you want to come on up, we'll take a look at the driveline in this 72. Under the hood, you can see this truck is absolutely stunning. It looks just like it would have when it come off the showroom floor in 1972. You'll also notice this truck offers a 390 engine, which is correct for this pickup and a pretty rare option considering it was the last year they offered it. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Ford, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this F100 around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Now that we have this Ford up on a lift, we can take a closer look at the floors, frame, and the driveline. This truck appears to have all the original pans, and they are rock solid along with the frame. The body bushings are also in great condition. Now under the front, we can see that it has a stock style suspension and steering, which all looks to be in excellent condition as well. The 390 engine is mated to the C6 automatic trans that goes out back to the 9-inch rear end with a 325 gear. For exhaust, it has manifolds and the factory style muffler. This F100 does come with 4-wheel drum brakes, and all the lines look to be in great condition. Now before we get this truck down on the highway, let's take one more close look at how amazing the bottom of the bed and floor pans are.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.